Meta has confirmed it's testing a new paid subscription for the WhatsApp, and it's called WhatsApp Plus. This is a big shift for the platform. WhatsApp has mostly stayed free for everyday features, slowly adding up things like themes and small customization. Now it looks time WhatsApp is ready to see whether users are willing to pay for a personalized experience. WhatsApp Plus isn't locking core features behind the paywall. Messaging, calls, groups, all will stay free. Instead, there's more add-ons for people who want extra control. Users on the Plus tier can pin a lot more chats, up to 20. There is support for custom lists where people can group chats together and apply things like notification settings, ringtones, or themes in a go. They're adding more chat themes, extra color options, even custom ringtone. There's a lot of talk like custom icons and small visual themes. Some beta reports, including from WA Beta Info, suggest it's just a start. Features like exclusive stickers, possibly with effects and more interactive reaction could follow up. Right now, it's a limited rollout. The pricing is said to be around €2.49 per month in few regions. The bigger picture is pretty clear. Meta is looking for ways to make money out of WhatsApp without stuffing it with ads or breaking what people already like about it. It's bringing WhatsApp a lot more to Telegram, which has deeper customization option for US and lead more into power users.